Hello students, welcome to in your mathematics class. Today in mathematics we'll do some mental maths. This is your mental maths book, and in mental maths page number 9 is there. We already solved it, but again revise it. Solid around us. Plane shapes. As we know that square, circle, rectangle, oval and triangle, these are the plane shapes, because plane shapes have only length and breadth. See, their front view is looking, we can see their front view. And solid shapes, it means solid shapes have length, breadth, depth and thickness. See, their length, breadth, thickness is their spiral, cylindrical, cuboid, it means just like rectangle. Its back view also we can see. Sphere is just like a circle. And see, this is cylindrical. Okay, cube look like a square, cone look like a triangle. So these are the solid shapes. We can see their front and back view also. And rolling and sliding. सो रोलिंग एंड स्लाइडिंग, ये जो आपके सामने प्लेन शेप्स हैं, सॉलिड शेप्स, प्लेन शेप्स के जो है लंबाई और चौड़ाई हम देख सकते हैं, बट इनका फ्रंट सामने का हिस्सा देखेंगे। और सॉलिड शेप्स में, ये प्लेन शेप्स में, ये सॉलिड शेप्स में आप देखेंगे कि सामने का हिस्सा और उसकी चौड़ाई, मोटाई, ये सारी चीज़ें एक वस्तु की जो होती है वो हमें दिखाई देंगी। नाउ सी rolling and sliding. What rolls and what slides? Okay, so some objects can roll like this. This pencil can roll also. See, this pencil can roll, है ना, जो ऐसे गोल 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 जो रोल होता। Slides, it means suppose this is a book. Suppose this is a book, and when we डू दिस इज स्लाइड्स, ये इस तरीके से ऐसे करेंगे, ये स्लाइड हो जाएगा लाइक दिस। ओके, एंड रोल मीन्स राउंड एंड राउंड, इट इज़ रोलिंग। ओके, सो what rolls and what slides? Rolls, this sphere or ball can roll, this cylindrical shapes can roll, this cone, yes, when we keep like that, this can roll, or this can slides. Okay, see, ये स्लाइड कर सकते हैं। दे कैन नॉट रोल, क्योंकि इनका सारे साइड से जो है वो राउंड राउंड नहीं है, सो दे कैन नॉट रोल। नाउ नेक्स्ट, फाइंडिंग द डिफरेंट शेप्स। एनसर्कल द शेप्स विच इज़ डिफरेंट इन ईच रो। सी विच इज़ डिफरेंट, yes, this is oval shape, this one is different. See, yeah, this bottle is different than all are like cone shape. Yes, this is different one. Okay, and this shape is ice cream. Okay, this is different one. Now match the solid shapes with their names. See, this is cube, this is cone, this is cylinder, or this is sphere. Okay, now sorting of plane shapes. Okay, what are the sorts? See, this is triangle, only 3 sides. Yes, triangle has 3 sides. Square, 4 equal sides. Yes, square has 4 equal sides, चारों साइड इसके इक्वल होते हैं। ट्राइंगल के 3 होते हैं। सर्कल, राउंड विथ नो साइड्स, राउंड रहता है, कोई साइड्स नहीं रहते हैं। रेक्टेंगल, 4 sides, opposite sides are equal. See, 4 side length and breadth, long side is length and small one. This is oval, look like hen's egg. Okay, now join the dots and color the circle in pink, oval in red, triangle in blue and rectangle in green. See, we already did this one. This all the circle, जहाँ जहाँ circle है वो pink से करेंगे, oval red से, triangle blue, see 2 triangles, and green with rectangle, so you can color and enjoy it. Now next what should you do? Matching by shapes, cylinder, cone, sphere, cube. Okay, see, shapes name are given over here and some objects are given over here which is match. Okay, this is the dice, ludo dice is there. Okay, cone, this is cone, it just look like watermelon, cut a piece of cutted watermelon, and this is see, and this one is look like that. You can match like this. And circle one second one, in circle one out of the 4 object in each row that has similar shapes. Okay, इस इच रो में जो भी है यहाँ शेप से यहाँ ऑब्जेक्ट जो यहाँ के रो से मैच कर रहा है. सो दिस वन इज मैच विद द क्यूब, this one is matched with the cone, and this is matched with the this cylinder bottle, and this is okay fine. Now next, finding the missing shapes. See, observe the picture and A and B and take the shapes missing in the picture. Okay, with A and B. See, A and B में कौन सा शेप मिसिंग है? सी वन, लाइक ये पिक्चर में देख सकते हो, यू कैन सी वन हाउस इज देयर, वन शेप इज मिसिंग, लुक लाइक. ओके, सो दिस वन इज मिसिंग ओवर हियर. सी इन दिस शेप, फर्स्ट पिक्चर and second picture. Okay, I'm totally confused which shape is missing over here. Again, see, box is there, and what else? Okay, nose, it's nose, it look like cone, so it is missing over here. See, in this picture one circle. Okay, this is missing over, and in this picture again one nose, it looks like circle, sphere, or in this picture one look like this cone. Okay, see, missing over here. So like that you can do the exercises. More exercises are given over here. See, identify the shapes, write the names of the shapes of each object in the blank space. So this look like a sphere, S P. See, some shapes are given over here. See, sphere, cylinder. So it is look like S P H E R E. This is look like cylinder, C Y. See, this is cylinder, look like cylinder, C Y L I N D E R, C Y L I N D E R. This is look like cupboard or cube. No, it is look like cupboard. See, this is cube and cupboard. C-U-B-O-R-D, C-U-B-O-R-D. It is also look like a cupboard. This is cylinder, C-Y-L-I-N-D-E-R, and this is sphere, S-P-H-E-R, sphere. This is cone, and this is cube, C-U-B-E. So you can write the exact name over here. See the shapes and recognizing shapes. Look at the picture, count and write the numbers of different shapes. Okay, see, in this picture, triangle, circle, rectangle, ovals and squares, how many? So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So according to me, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 triangles, 7 triangles. How many? 7 triangles. Rectangles, 1 rectangle, 2 rectangle, 3 rectangle, 4 rectangle, 5 rectangle, 6 rectangle, 7 rectangle, 8 9 10 11 12. Total 12 rectangles are here. Now circles, 1 circle only. I found only one circle is the ovals. Okay, see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. I got 9 ovals and squares. One is square, two is square. Okay, 3 4, then 5 and 6. According to me, six squares are there. So you can count and do this exercise. Okay, now next, again some good. Okay, rolling and sliding. So what, encircle the items that rolls in each row. Okay, which can rolls, this can rolls. Okay, encircle it. Next, yes, this bottle can. Okay, in this row, this can roll. In this row, this can roll, and this can roll. Okay, fine. Now encircle the items that slides in each row. Okay, which can slides? Yes, it can slides. This dice can slides, this cone can slides, it can slides, and it, so like that you encircle it. Now next, take the correct option. Which one of these is a plane shape? Okay, which one is a plane shape? See, this is a cone, this is no, this is circle, this is a plane shape. Okay, which one of these rolls? So which one of these rolls? Yes, it can rolls. Which one of these slides? Okay, this can slides. Which one of this depth and thickness? Okay, this has depth and thickness, it means it is a solid shape. Which one of these is a cylinder? Okay, this is a cylinder. So you can solve, you can do this exercise. Enjoy the shapes. Thank you, have a nice day.